It's another day, another vlog. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's a little bit rainy, but that's not a problem. Right now, we're gonna go buy something from Facebook Marketplace. I finally started the delivery business, made a few bucks, not a few bucks, but I got my first order. We're gonna talk about that. And yeah, right now I'm gonna go pick up something that I need for that business, and I'll talk about that in the next clip. So this is what we bought. It's some moving blankets. You're gonna need some if you're gonna do a delivery business, just so like things don't get damaged. You could like cover it, you could wrap it around it. And yeah, I bought 2 for $10. And this, I don't know if I showed you guys this, but it's just some tie downs that I use to like tie down any objects that I'm carrying, just so it doesn't shake or nothing. Make sure you have these kinds of tie downs. There's some ones that aren't so good, but this one works for what I do. But yeah, other than that, it's basically the setup for the delivery business. So this was my first ever delivery. As you guys can see, that's how I was tying it down. So we are at Pollo Camperos. I never had this place. Let's check it out. See if it's any good. Here was the price, $17.09. I got the 3-piece with the 2 sides and then the drink. That's the rice, the mac and cheese. All right, let's taste it. Yeah, to me, the rice was like the best part. And then the hot sauce here was pretty good. If I were to rate it overall, I'm probably gonna give it like a 7. So we just got done with this. We're gonna go head to a store that just opened up. You guys are gonna probably be able to like see it as a business idea, make some money. So let's go check it out. So here we are at this pallet outlet. Check it out. Small washer. Fans. So yeah, not a lot of things. I got this because I'm probably gonna do some driving and I don't wanna get distracted, so it's a good headset. And then maybe I'll do some streaming. I don't know how good this is for streaming, the headset, but we're gonna test it out either way.